Yes, guys, look at that coming together.
They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chatting?
Yes, guys, we are here today with a Jamaican authentic cornmeal porridge. So I know a lot of you guys in Jamaica and you still don't know how to make cornmeal porridge good, and you have a theory about it. Them did eat it growing up because we used to eat it too much. So today we are here to correct you guys. So come on with us on this journey to make this cornmeal porridge, and these are the ingredients that we have. We have our sugar here, some salt, some cinnamon leaf or authentic coconut milk, right, and our soaked cornmeal, right, and we have the water on the stove heating up. You don't know?
Yeah, guys, so when you catch a drift tomorrow, Heroes Day. So this is a pre-Heroes Day meal or breakfast, whichever way you want to put it. So just watch the video to the end, like up the video, share it out, subscribe, become a part of the King and Ali Active Knowledge, AK Gang. Bang, bang, boom! Forward over the pot we are about to add the cornmeal right now.
Let's go. Alright, guys, you see that? Water is bubbling, and guys, now is the time that you're going to keep a close eye on the pot, right? And you're going to give it constant stir because we don't want any lump in this, right? And remember, have the flame on low or medium heat, right?
And we do things a bit different, guys. So I was gonna say what I'm going right now.
Yes, guys, if you're not yet following our chef channel, please do so.
So we're gonna add the coconut milk now, guys.
One go. That is it, guys.
Everything.
If this is not how you make it, you can give this way a try and see how it work out for you, right?
Salt to taste. Aroma is like a perfume for the kitchen. And we're gonna just add the sugar. Everything.
Yes, guys, one time. As we say, when this ready, I'm ready. Cinnamon leaf.
Everything.
Yes, guys.
So all we're going to do after we add all the ingredients, we're just gonna whisk until it's cooked right through. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons
vanilla.
Me love almond, rose and almond, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons as well.
Yes, guys, look at that coming together.
Give this a constant whisk. And guys, we are using refined cornmeal.
Yes.
This now go good with fried dumpling, or some people love broke up them bread and drop in it.
Are you look at crackers? You don't know. Right, so we're going to give this a constant stir, guys, and remember the heat low or medium, constant stir until we feel the consistency that we want and the cornmeal is properly cooked. So we stew forward.
Yes, guys, so now I'm going to add a tablespoon of nutmeg powder.
Yes, guys, it mean a teaspoon, guys, not tablespoon, teaspoon.
Thanks for the correction.
Yes, people, and if you like cinnamon and you feel as if the cinnamon leaf, because guys, you can taste, right? So when you taste and you feel like you want that cinnamon flavor to be evident, you can add your cinnamon powder, right? And your nutmeg or whatever you want to add, because it's your porridge. Do it to your liking, but this is how we make it, and that's that, right? You can give it a try if you choose to, and tell us what you think in that comment section down below. And if you're not a fan, leave it down below. What's your favorite porridge, guys? And
tell us
good stuff.
The next porridge you'd like to see us do, whether hominy corn, peanut, banana,
plantain, peanut, hominy, you don't know,
rice porridge, name it.
Bulgur,
oats, or you want to see we do a yam porridge or
carrot porridge,
name it.
Yes, guys, so leave it down in the comment section, right? And it's getting the consistency that we want it. Show them it, King. Yes, guys, it's getting to the consistency that we want it, right?
So now, guys, is it reach a point where we're going to taste?
And if you follow this recipe and you already season it with the coconut milk and you want that Condensed milk same way. You can add your condensed milk, but you would have to reduce the amount of sugar that you add, right?
Yeah guys, it's ready. So we're gonna lock it off.
Get on with the plating.
Get on with the plating. So forward.
So forward. Yes guys, so this is the final or cornmeal porridge. I will have some wheat cracker. If you like bread, you like fried dumpling, fritters, whatever you like with it, you can have it with yours. So try this on Heroes Day, Sunday, Monday, and let us know what the children think about it if you are going to try this recipe, right? And remember, follow our business page, follow our Instagrams. We always post pictures over there. Our next rundown. Yes guys, so this is it. We have to say, King.
Well, I don't have not much to say. Just take in the bad recipe. Try this. You will love it. This is not something you'll regret. And remember, when your kids are always say, "Chum, tell you that cornmeal porridge. I don't want this, but when we check it out, it's clean and billion." So this is the right way for the kids them. And for the Heroes weekend, you understand, and ackee and saltfish and cornmeal porridge. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, like up the video, become a part of the Active Knowledge, aka gang. Bang, bang, boom!
We're out.